Hi, welcome to the first session of Tech Talk. I'm Jen Bell, your technology advisor, and I'm here to talk to you a bit today about year-end spending. Now is the time to consider what you may need for computers and replacement devices sooner than you may have in the past. This year, the demand is higher, and we are seeing how those delays are impacting you. I will work with you to identify the specific machines that need replacement within your environment, help introduce some spare machines to keep your employees up and running in the event of a hardware failure or lengthy repair, or work with you to identify the best technology for your employees working from home. When your new hardware arrives, our team will work to get your employees set up as quickly as possible, with a focus on both productivity and IT security. Now is the time to get this conversation started. I look forward to hearing from you. Until next time.